Shenzhen Melasta Battery Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of lithium-ion, LiFePO4, NiM-H customized battery packs, single cells, UAV, and RC batteries in residential energy storage batteries and small commercial energy storage station. Additionally, our batteries are utilized in military applications, showcasing the versatility and reliability of our custom solutions. We adhere to strict quality control standards from raw materials to finished products. Our headquarters is located in Shenzhen, factory in Dongguan City and Quanzhou City with scale of 3,000 square meters and more than 100 employees. Melasta adopted intelligent and introduced a series of advanced equipment including automatic welding machine, automatic sorting machine, automatic test equipment, which ensure the high efficiency of the production, quality and traceability of products. We have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485 certificates, and more than 100 invention patents, practical new patent, software copyrights. Melasta has hardware and software R&D centers, and our engineers teams not only can provide the standard battery packs, but also can support the OEM and ODM service according to clients' requirements and applications. We produce environment-friendly products by strictly following the international safety and quality standards. There are 3 production facilities to fulfill the customer requirements on time. Batteries have got the international certifications such as CB, KC, PSE, FCC, CE, UN 38.3, MSDS.